Divide math quiz question. Question number 1. 45 divided by 5 is equal to option में 12, option B 9, option C 14, option D 8. The correct answer is option B 9. Question number 2. 72 divided by 6, option A 12, option B 18, option C 14, option D 16. The correct answer is option A 12. Question number 3. 45 divided by 5 is equal to option A 5, option B 8, option C is 6 and option D is 9. The correct answer is option D 9. Question number 4. 81 divided by 9 is equal to option A 8, option B 9, option C is 7 and option D is 6. Correct answer is option B 9. Question number 5. 64 divided by 8. Option A 8, option B 9, option C 7 and option D is 10. The correct answer is option A 8. Thank you for watching.